How to draw a tulip flower, step-by-step tutorial. If you want to draw a tulip flower more realistic, you need not only a pencil but also colored pencils. We will draw tulip with stalk and leaves step by step. This lesson how to draw a tulip is very easy. Try it. Method 1. Step 1. Make an oval shape for the base of the tulip. Step 2. Next, draw the two petals on the sides which will form that cup-like shape that the tulip has. Step 3. Next, simply draw in the tips of the other flower petals to make the tulip look full or in bloom. Step 4. Lastly, just draw a stem that tapers on the way down. Erase the mistakes if you made any. Step 5. Now let's start shading. Start at the bottom of the first petal. The bottom should be the darkest part of the petal. As you work your way up the flower, the shading gets lighter. Step 6. Fill the rest of the petals with the foundation like so, making sure to do exactly what you did in step 5. Step 7. Finish shading the rest of the tulip, then proceed to step 8 where you will add all the highlighting and texture detailing. Step 8. Carefully erase the lining that makes the petals look drawn. Don't erase these lines completely, just faint them out. When that is done, blend in the surface and make the tips of the petals the lightest of the whole flower. Method 2. Step 1. Now let's start drawing an initial contour of this flower. To do this, draw a simple square, not necessarily a perfect form, and add one vertical curved line, the stem of a tulip. Step 2. Next, we'll add more detail for the base of the tulip and the details pertaining to the petals. Step 3. Remove the extra lines and finish drawing the shape of a tulip flower. Give more definition to the initial sketches of two leaves. Step 4. Now we need to remove the extra lines for the leaves. Finish drawing of the petals in detail, using number 2 pencil. Step 5. At this point, we are almost done with the steps to drawing a tulip. You need only to add shadows to the flower with pencil or to color your tulip with the colored pencils or crayons.